So, this is the 2011 Maruti Suzuki WagonR. We are in 2025. Let us see why this tall boy is still the most selling hatchback in India.
This is a Maruti WagonR, a car that looks like a fridge, drives like a friend, and somehow survived every Indian road like it was nothing. No dyno charts, no 0 to 100 times, no fake hype. Just a real look at a box on wheels that became a legend by accident. Let's talk about the design now. But what do I even say about it? It's just a rectangle with wheels. Every line is straight, every surface is flat. Like the designer said, curves? Nah bro, but that's the charm. It's honest, it's practical. What you see is what you get. And that tall roofline? It's perfect for your dad's cap, your friend's hair, or that uncle jisko jukna nahi hai. Let's talk about the WagonR's interior. Inside it feels just like home. Not a luxury home though, but it's more like that couch that you had for 8 years. It's not pretty, but it's comforting. The seats are simple, but supportive. They won't hug you, but they won't hurt you either. It has plenty legroom for your tall friends and enough headroom for your ego. It has pockets and cup holders everywhere. And the boot, it can easily haul a week's groceries or 3 duffel bags or a random shopping haul with your mom. How's it to drive a WagonR, you may ask? If you're expecting power, watch a Lamborghini video, cause this is about peace. The WagonR moves like a calm middle class monk. Not fast, never frustrating. It gets you from point A to point B in a very don't worry, I got you bro kind of way. It has a light steering, perfect for traffic, and the seating is set up high. You see everything like you are the class monitor. And the gear shift? It's soft, it's predictable, like you're flipping through an old notebook. And the horn? It's louder than the engine. How's a day with the WagonR look like? The car is built for Indian survival. Narrow lanes, the WagonR takes it easy. Bad roads, the WagonR shrugs it all. Parking, it fits where SUVs only dream of fitting. Mileage, it sips fuel like a polite guest who doesn't want to trouble anyone. Not the car you flex, the car you trust. That's why the WagonR is everywhere. It wasn't trying to be cool, it just worked. Day after day, year after year. Families, suitcases, friendships, heartbreaks, school runs. It carried everything. It was indeed the quiet hero of middle class India. So that's it. That's the Maruti WagonR. A car which instills a lot of emotions in my head. It was the only car in my family for a brief while, and it was also the first car that I ever drove. I had to lie to my friend's parents about it, and I took the keys out, took it out for a spin, only to end up crashing it. It's still here, it's still with my friend, and that's the car which you're seeing in the frame right now. It's not attractive by any means. A breeze blue painted car with no alloy wheels and a missing wheel cap. And it's not that well maintained as well. That goes on to show how simple and honest this box is. It's a simple, honest box that moved a nation. Not every car has to be aggressive or flashy. Sometimes practical is beautiful. If you have such WagonR stories, please feel free to drop them below. We would love to read them all. This is me, Hari, signing out. Thanks for watching.